but it's not very hard. There's only like 4 or 5 pieces to put together. That's pretty easy. You want it in the middle one to start with. Whoa.
It's hard. I like this one better than the treadmill.
With your feet on the top one, is it harder?
Spanner. You need to tighten now.
Just try and get the picture off the box because you can't understand the instructions. No instructions at all, basically. Pictures, but yeah.
Only this one.
But it's not very hard. There's only like 4 or 5 pieces to put together, so that's alright. Just like anything, put it together loosely when you're putting it together, and then when you make sure it's all right, then go back and tighten everything up. But good thing the picture on the box. Anyway, another piece of junk that you use for 3 months, and then it'll sit in the garage with all the other stuff for the next 10 years. Can you pass me?
Where is it? Here.
Well, so now just the seat and the other thing, whatever it is.
The seat's here.
That's pretty easy. You want it in the middle one to start with?
Yeah, which one is the best one? I don't know.
I don't know either. That's pretty easy to move.
That's good.
Not very comfy.
You haven't sitting it yet.
1.5 volt. Doesn't say AAA, it says 1.5 volt. So that just slides in like that. Okay. So you want it facing, so that one's got to just go like that, and then just slide that on there. Easy peasy.
That's it. You haven't tied that one there yet, babe.
I tied it already.
No, only this one is tied. This one here, not yet. I haven't tied that one there.
I'm too excited.
You're too excited. That's it.
I didn't tie these ones?
No, I think the last one only you tied. Okay. This one here.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah, it won't go any tighter.
This one. Last one.
I did that one.
Last one?
I did that one.
Did you?
Maybe not.
I told you. Huh? This one done?
Yeah.
The other one here is tight already too?
Yeah, well, they're underneath, so I did them tight. They're not so important because they're just sitting on there.
Come on, you try.
I'm not trying.
I'm not dressed up.
Whoa.
It's hard.
It's hard to get going.
It's hard. Huh? You get hard already? Thank you for assembling my little gym.
Ab workout.
Abs booster. Here. Ab
You need to
booster
film you
plus
doing it.
gym.
It's for you, not for me.
So that's that one. This is a good work out for me, for my tummy and back
I'm going to
excess.
show you tummy. Do before and after.
I want to get
Wow, put it away. Is the counter working? Is it counting up?
Yeah, it's not 40.
40. It's not counting right.
No, it's not working. 14. Yeah, and the above 15, 16, 17, 18. What's the bottom? Is 43.
Calories, I think. It's got different modes.
Oh yeah, there is calorie. The count is on top. 25, 26, 27, 28.
How long is this going to last? I'm going to give it 3 weeks.
I like this one better than the treadmill. My arm now is getting sore.
But if you put your feet on the top one, is it harder? Or the same?
It's just my leg is not moving a lot. Oh, not stretching. It's more harder. It's more heavy. For me. My arm. Oh my God! It's only 49 there. How about you?
I don't know. I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it. So this is my body today. My tummy there, you can see here. I want to get rid this. Guys, thank you for watching my thank you for watching my unboxing and assembling my new gym ab boosters. Booster.